Hey guys, how's it going? Hey, I just want to do a little update on the remote start hack. I'm getting a lot of questions about how to get the fob, and a lot of dealers, I guess, aren't wanting to sell the fobs now because they kind of know what you're trying to do, and I don't really understand why they're being difficult about it, but I guess they are. So I talked to my friend that works for Honda, and what Honda's doing now, they're gonna require a VIN number to get these fobs. So right now they're on back order. And when they come in stock, you're going to have to provide a VIN number to pick one of these fobs up. So I don't know how stringent they're going to be about it. If you can just get a VIN number from a EX or higher model car and provide them, I'm not really sure. But my advice to you guys, if you guys are still wanting to do this, is try to find the fob online where you can. There's a few places I've seen that still have a couple in stock. I would go ahead and pick those up. And then after that, like I said, they're back ordered now. So you're probably, if you can get one, I would say try a locksmith would be good. A lot of you guys I've been seeing in the comments are having success with a local locksmith, so that would be good. Um, yeah, but I would say if you really want to do it, I would jump on it now because it seems pretty hard to get a hold of these key fobs. And my buddy was saying that they are just really cracking down on them. I don't know if they'll make it so they're not going to program them anymore at all either. I mean, I can see them doing that. So if you guys are really on the fence about it, I would do it now because I would say in a month from now, I bet it's going to be a whole lot more difficult to get done for you guys. Um, I would say if you can get the fob for 150 or lower, I would say at this point. And then I've heard a lot of guys getting the key program for, I would say, $60 to $70 from like locksmith or maybe even a dealer. That's not too bad. I mean, you're talking 220 bucks or so for a remote start. That's still a great deal because I know a lot of the aftermarket remote starts, when you open the door, they kill the engine, which I've never been a fan of that. So it's like you have to start your car twice. I mean, you'll eventually wear the starter out a lot quicker doing that. But um, I just like the OEM fob. I've been loving my remote start. I'm sure a lot of you guys that have it done like it too. So just want to do a little update. So if you guys are trying to do this and run into a problem, look online, look on eBay. I've been searching around. There's still a few out there. So like I said, I would definitely get them while you can. And then know that they will come back in stock. My buddy said in a couple weeks they should be back in, but know that they will start requiring a VIN number to get them. I think he said they're like a restricted item that Honda puts on them because of this hack. So just want to give you guys a heads up. If you guys are having issues, hopefully you can get this done. Feel free to leave comments below. I'll get back to you if you have any questions. I appreciate all you guys' support. I really do on this channel. It's been great getting feedback from all you guys. Hope you guys are having a great day. Take care.